What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Zach Humphreys. I have my personal channel here on YouTube, but I've partnered up here with ClearCryptos to provide educational content. And I just love what they're doing and how they're building right now. And this educational platform is so important to bring new people into crypto. And in this video, I want to talk about a top crypto analyst predicting some volatility for the weeks to come here in the cryptocurrency market. Now, everybody has their opinions. That's what this is as well. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just bringing you up to speed on some news and information, and I provide my insight in there as well. And he says it's been a boring last few weeks and really upwards to a month where these 2% swings really aren't doing much for crypto traders. He said expect some volatility. And there's actually one project out there, an Ethereum-based altcoin that he says is outperforming Bitcoin right now, and it's lining up for a strong move as well. So we're going to look at that in this video, and let's jump into it. The trader who predicted the end of last year's crypto bull market says he sees one Ethereum-based altcoin posting massive gains in the coming months. Now, closely followed, analyst Pentoshi tells his 615,000 Twitter followers that the decentralized Oracle network Chainlink has been showing some relative strength versus the broader crypto markets. Now, Chainlink is currently trading at a level that served as its staging ground in December 2020 before rallying to its all-time high of $52.20 the following year. Above average looking chart at high time frame support on USD paired dating back to 2020. We'll be looking for this as a midterm play leading into December. So at the time of this writing, Link is swapping hands for about $7.79. A move to Pentoshi's target of $12.45 would be a potential here of nearly 60% for the top Oracle network. Looking at Bitcoin, Pentoshi says the King crypto is gearing up for wild price swings as well. When you look at BTC dominance and BTC itself, everything suggests we are about to have a pretty strong move. Everything is lining up at the moment. After a month of basically nothing except us yelling at each other over 2% moves, it is time for some volatility, he says. So, says, in my opinion, these are signs of short-term bottoming happening, at least locally forming. Bear market rally getting ready for the making soon, in my opinion. Again, I'd rather be a buyer at a level like this than shorting. If there's a great spot to be wrong for me, it's here. So he's basically saying, in looking at this chart, you can see Bitcoin has that little double bottom forming right there. And he's looking for a nice little move to the upside, similar to what we got here back in late August and early September, where Bitcoin was thrusted up almost to about 25,000, 26,000. He thinks we could get that, and maybe some altcoin volatility could follow. And he's specifically looking at Chainlink. So I'm going to keep this on my radar. I don't own any Link right now personally, but I'm going to look a little closer at this and maybe try to acquire some. And, you know, the crypto market is down a little bit right now. So maybe hanging on to this for a couple months, who knows? We could see a nice little 50 to 60% swing in one of the top oracles in Chainlink, and maybe even see it across the board here. This particular analyst predicting a bear market rally is upon us. We'll see. Let me know what you think down below, and we'll keep tabs on it, of course. Thank you so much for popping in. We'll see you in the next video.